myself is from many other places. Important job. Hopefully next year, without this world that we're not seeing, will be a better product. Okay? And don't make it so bad. That's why my party is only in a park. My party should be in a nice and dressed up. All of that. That is still to come.
Hey, when you get your college degree, okay?
Keep on going with your lessons. Don't ever stop. Never satisfied what you're doing. That's the goal. If you satisfy what you're doing, you'll be regret later on. Alright? And I think that's all I have. And thank you, Kami, for having the Father's Day on this day as well. Really nice. Thank you.
Anyone else?
I do.
Okay.
This is for Vincent. Now you are considered an adult, which means you have responsibilities. Go to a culture day, to listen to your parents, because now you are on your own. So, 了还告, let's go. You have to just say yes, and you're going to do it. Don't argue because you're not a kid anymore. Okay? We're all here. We're always going to support you in whatever you decide to do with your life. But I just want you to understand that whatever decision that you make, that is solely on you. So, welcome to the adult world, kids.
Okay. Anybody else?
Don't do anything stupid because you're going to have to start paying bills.
Okay. Anybody else?
We did. Fuck hard.
Going once? Going twice? Okay, if there's nothing else, then I will say some last words, and then my dad will write. First of all, this last 2 years has been really a struggle for every one of us. But first of all, I want to thank God, and I want to thank, that He has blessed our family, which means every one of you is part of my family, which is my family. And I want us to turn next to each other and take a look at who's here, because, like I say, He has been good to us, and I hope that will continue. That He will bless us, and each one of us as we continue our journey. Bây giờ nhân dê, bây giờ mình nó còn từ, bây giờ mình học từ là, còn mà chúng nó cũng có một cái sai số cái trên đó là còn mình có biết là không sai số cái. And I'm very happy to say that, because seeing every one of you has brought a lot of joy and happiness to me. Because this COVID, I never knew that what tomorrow will be. So I wanted us to take this opportunity to think, each one of us, that we took precautions, that we love ourselves and love each other. And I want to make sure that, as we move forward, that we can continue on this tuition, and hopefully as these kids start to grow and as they graduate, that we will kind of starting to have these kind of pictures again to bring everybody back. And kind of like what John said is, it's not something spectacular, but it's because of the time and everything else. And I feel that this was the best to bring everybody together in the short amount of time that we have. And I'm really happy about that. And honestly, I'm very happy to see